Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So after a long time I am doing vlog again, and I know that I have promised to do vlog diary kind of series on my channel, but I couldn't follow that because of some reasons that are going in my life. But I will try to post at least one vlog in a week from now. So yeah, today's vlog is a weekend lockdown vlog, quarantine edition. So yeah, it's already 11 o'clock and I'm having my breakfast, late breakfast you can say, because I have started 2 meals a day. I'm eating only 2 meals a day, that is breakfast and snacks. I mean, it won't be a snacks, most probably it will be early dinner kind of thing. So yeah, as I was telling, I'm having 2 meals a day. It's almost a week now I have started this. I'm having breakfast and early dinner. So now I'm having my oats, masala oats, that is homemade. I prepared from scratch, one boiled egg and a coffee. Let me show that to you now. So yeah, this is my breakfast. I'm having my oats, masala oats. I have prepared from scratch everything, nothing fancy packaging or something. This is from scratch, and one boiled egg and a coffee. After finishing my breakfast, I have to start preparing lunch for my family, and maybe that lunch itself, I mean whatever I have prepared, that lunch itself I will be having in early dinner kind of thing in evening. That I will show when I will do. But I'm thinking to prepare something special today because 2 days back my channel have got monetized, and I want to give little bit of celebration, maybe with preparing a sweet or something, because since it's a weekend lockdown in Bangalore, no shops are open to celebrate or anything. So yeah, I will be preparing little bit sweet, maybe gulab jamun or something, so that I can celebrate the happiness with a little bit of sweetness in my life. So yeah, let's start with this remaining day, whatever is there, and if I find something interesting I will vlog it and I will put it. So let's meet after this. Hi guys, I'm back. So it's 3:20 now, and I have finished preparing gulab jamuns and did some housework, and I am a bit hungry right now, so I'm planning to have my meals earlier. So I'm having my food right now. It's chicken curry and rice, and if before sleeping if I feel some hungry, then I might have buttermilk or milk. I will see how it goes. But yeah, this is the little bit update. I have finished all my works, almost all my works, and right now I will have my lunch and then take rest for a while, and then I will be starting remaining work, and even to have to cook for night also. So I have to decide yet what have to be cooked. So yeah, for now I will have my lunch, watching some of the videos on my phone, take rest for a while, and then I will start remaining work. And yeah, let's see how it goes further. Hi guys, good morning. It's next day, it's Monday. I know the vlog should be the weekend vlog, but yesterday I didn't vlog because one of the reason, but nonetheless I don't want to keep this vlog short, so I thought to extend this vlog today also. So yeah, now it's Monday morning, I think around some 10:30 or 11ish. I'm having my breakfast right now, and after breakfast I need to clean house, cook lunch, and I'm thinking to pamper myself little bit today with a full spa thing, hair spa and then facial etc and all. So I want to share that here. Yeah, that's a small plan for today. Let's see how it goes, and because life is unpredictable, we can't say what will happen anytime. So yeah, so far this is the plan, and let's stick with the plan for now. So I forgot to tell you what I'm having in the breakfast. I'm having in the breakfast is this onion tomato toast and coffee. I wanted to vlog this process of cooking the sandwich because I didn't saw anyone doing that. But while I was making my breakfast, my daughter was having her dance class, and I don't want to get the copyright claim on the vlog, so I didn't vlog there. So it is nothing much. It's pretty much just you need to add onions and tomatoes, and then you have to put some salt and ghee roast it on the pan, and that's it. You need a toast texture for that, and that's it. That is this pretty much simple. If you people want to see the recipe, please let me know. When I'm doing next time, I will surely vlog it. So yeah, let me finish my breakfast and then finish the household work, and I think I will be directly catching you on my pampering session. Guys, I'm back again. I know I told you that I will be catching you up in the pampering section segment, but I'm doing a recipe. It's a chicken pickle. I thought to share it on my vlog. So first I will share that recipe, and then after that I will start my pampering session. So now let's go to the kitchen and start with the recipe.
So the first step of this recipe is to marinate the chicken. I have taken the clean chicken pieces of half kg and I have added salt and turmeric to it. Mixed well and keep it aside for 15 to half an hour so that the turmeric and salt taste comes in. Next step of recipe is to dry roast some masalas like cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, mustard seeds, jeera or cumin, coriander seeds, and some fenugreek seeds. Dry roast them until you get a nice aroma. Cool it down and blend them into fine powder. In the same kadai, take some oil for deep fry, and you can use this oil for further process of the pickle also. Keep mixing the chicken pieces occasionally and let it turn into golden brown pieces. Finally, the chicken pieces are turned into golden brown. Now I will take it aside in a plate. I have taken the bigger kadai so that it will be easy for me to mix and added the same fried oil that I have used before. Once the oil is heated little bit, add ginger garlic paste to it and fry till the raw smell goes. After that, add the fried chicken and mix well. Now it's time to add all the dry ingredients. Add the garam masala powder that you have made powder before, red chili powder, salt, and mix them properly till the salt dissolves. Let it cook for a minute and off the flame.
Let me fix you here. Okay, so by the time the pickle is getting colder, we have going to start my hair masking session. So yes, let's start with the session for today's hair mask. I'm using this Indus Valley hair ultra spa, and I'm going to apply this on my hair. So first I'm going to open my hair, take a spray bottle with water, and I'm going to spritz it all over my hair so that the hair mask which I'm applying gets applied evenly. This is my way of technique of using the hair mask. So yeah, this session will be very much long, so I'll put it in a fast forward mode so that you can see how I apply it. So I have done applying the mask. I will leave it for a while now, and now let's go to the kitchen and complete the pickle recipe. Last step is remaining. You just need to add lemon in that, and that's it. The chicken pickle is ready. So now let's go into kitchen. Hey guys, I have finished taking shower. Now it's the pampering session of face. So for face, I'm doing my facial today. I mean facial at home kind of thing. So this facial home kind of kit I have already shared on my Instagram. If you didn't see it, you can go and check there, or anyhow I'm going to show you here. So yeah, let's start with our pampering section with skin. I hope you liked my pampering session today, which I have done for my hair and my face. You can see much difference on my face. It's squeaky clean and I can feel freshness on my face. But one more thing before you think something wrong, I'm nowhere promoting the brightness or brightening products. Only that is that I like this product not for the brightening sake, but it really does difference for my skin. It cleans my skin from inside, so that's the reason I use it, not for the brightening sake. I'm not promoting the brightening products, or nor I'm telling anyone to use this for the brightening sake. If you want the clean skin like a parallel effect after this facial, then you can use this. If you're not okay with that, there is another variant also, which is I guess charcoal pollution. I think yes, charcoal pollution. So you can buy that. That is also equally good. But since I bring products for the reviews and all, I have to use whatever I'm having and finish it off, neither wasting the money. But nonetheless, that's all for today's vlog. If you like the vlog, then don't forget to hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be super soon catching with another video. Until then, bye bye.